welcome to Abby's tutorial on how to put some nice makeup on to make you feel a little bit better as we all try and get around this situation that we're in now. So make sure your face is nicely washed and fresh, okay? So you need a good foundation to start off with. So this is the foundation that I tend to prefer at the moment. It's a summer colour, so it's nice and pale, okay? So you just put a little bit on, okay? A little bit more than that because you need to get some good coverage, okay? So start off with around the nose area and work it into the whole of your face, okay? That's it. Now blend it in nicely. Yeah. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's excellent. Okay. That's good. Okay. Nice. So that's really, really nice. It gives you a good foundation, and the next thing to put on would be your blusher. Okay. Now you can use your blusher in an artistic way, because if you need to contour your face, make your cheeks look more prominent, or your nose, if you need to slim any of your features down, you can use a little bit of contouring, okay? So it just makes your nose look a little bit slimmer, which I think you kind of need to do if you've got a bit of a conk like mine, and it also make your cheekbones nice and prominent. If you're not blessed with Cheryl T cheekbones, then it's a fantastic product to make. That's it. Blend it all in nicely. Okay. Yeah. And the next thing to do is you bit of eyeshadow, okay, and some nice summer colours, because the weather is beautiful out there. So we're going to use some nice colours for the eyes. My preferred colour is green. So make sure your brush is nicely loaded up with this beautiful colour green, and just apply it to your eyelids. First start off with your left eyelid and your right eyelid. Beautiful. That's lovely. That's a nice green colour there. Yeah, that's beautiful. A little bit more, maybe. No, okay. No, let's go for a nice shade of orange. Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, and try it on. That's gorgeous. Yeah, we like it. Bit on the left eye as well. See, that's absolutely stunning. Okay, I didn't need that anyway. It's quite old. All right, so take your makeup brush. You can take your makeup brush and blend it in. Make sure everything's nicely blended in to the left and to the right. That's gorgeous. Okay, and now we're going to do a bit of eyeliner. So I'm going to take this eyeliner here. Okay, so we're going to take some nice eyeliner, yeah, and this is my preferred eyeliner at the moment, yeah. So you just make sure you follow the contour. That's beautiful. Okay, and make sure that this really brings your eyes out, doesn't it? Yeah, I'm nearly ready to go out, actually. Let's see, what should we do now? And a bit of lipstick, of course. I've forgotten to put my lipstick, so fuck it, let's put some mascara on instead. Okay, this is my preferred mascara. It should stay on all night, this mascara. It's a 24-hour mascara that is the preferred one of models, actually. So there we go, nice bit of mascara. Yeah, you can do your eyebrows as well with it if you want. Okay. Yeah, and make sure that you replace the lid. Of course, you need to replace the lid, otherwise it dries up. And yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, and then lips on next. Nice daytime lipstick. But you need to sort of make sure that you define your lips nicely. So it's very, very important that you make sure that your lips are defined nicely. There we go, that's beautiful. Okay, so once you've got a nice definition of your lips there, you need to use a nice lipstick. Okay, a daytime lipstick. This one is quite a summery, nice some of my lipstick that is quite a pale colour, so it doesn't look, you know, you don't want to go out looking ridiculous, do you? So if you apply it to the bottom lip first, and you can apply it to the bottom lip first and blend it in. Yeah, if you apply it too high, you know, it can get stuck in your moustache, so you don't want that. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, make sure you get it into all the corners and the crevices, and that is, look, that's beautiful. I'm all ready for my summer lockdown. That's fine. Yeah, blend it in a bit much, just in case, you know, because you want a nice subtle look. And hey presto, et voila. Thank you. Same tutorial will show you how you can do your hair. Thank you. Bye bye.